Hey everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to a new video. So guys, welcome to a Savannah haul. In the past couple of videos, I've done a review of Savannah and I touched upon कि कैसे उनकी collection बहुत ज़्यादा refreshing है, trendy है, and oh my god, for summer I decided to go a little bit all out. I was mainly looking for summer dresses जो कि आपको इस haul में देखने को मिलेंगी, and I found some amazing pieces which I wanted to share with you. So one of my favorite haul videos, I think मैं हर haul video के बारे में ये बोलती हूँ, but this one you will genuinely see such fun different pieces and सबकी fitting मुझे इतनी अच्छी आई है. Like I've worn all of them, I've tried some of them outside as well, and I think in this video, in this haul, आप सबको अपने type की like dress मिल जाएगी. उसके अलावा the main thing is that all of the products in today's video you can get currently at very good prices. So basically Savannah की weekend पे sales होती है. They have flash sales wherein the products are a 50% off. You also have fast delivery on some of their best sellers, and I think it's the perfect time to stock up on all of your summer staples. And the sale starts on Saturday 10 AM till Monday 10 AM. So जितने भी pieces आप आज भी देख रहे हो सब link down होंगे in the description box, and you can avail the best prices. Like some of these dresses I have gotten at crazy prices. तो सब कुछ screen पे आ जाएगा, नहीं तो link में होगा. Enough talking. I think today the products will do the talking. You will see how pretty I feel and how happy I feel wearing them. उसी से पता चल जाता है, पता है कि मुझे product कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. Let's get started. The first thing we're gonna start with is what I am wearing. Now this dress is my mini dress of dreams. तो you know usually mini dresses एकदम मतलब उतनी अच्छी नहीं लगती, classy नहीं लगती, but they are flattering. In this case, this dress has like a pufsa on its skirt, on like the waist, and oh my god, it looks so classy. It's tiny, it's perfect for me because I'm short, right? And मेरे लिए एकदम perfect dress है ये. I went for it in a black color, and यहाँ पे भी you have ruching details going on the shoulder, and I think this dress just says, you know, everything on its own. It's your classic LBD, but with such a fun twist with all of these detail puffings जो हो रखी है पूरी dress पे. Something that I think summer के लिए essential है. It's sleeveless, the material is very good of this one. Like कुछ भी see through नहीं है. Black में you can have that problem usually, but it's just very flattering, and black color तो as it is कोई भी body type को और ज़्यादा flattering कर देता है. So one of my absolute favorite recommendations, and this dress is literally something जो कि I think मैं बहुत बारी use करने वाली हूँ. Let's move on to this next dress. This is what it looks like. It literally feels like a piece of art. इसमें मैं already photoshoot कर चुकी हूँ apart from my video shoot, because it was very regal, very elegant, and the material of this now is very fine, very comfortable to wear and breathable to wear throughout the summers and even monsoon में. So मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, and simply जो print है that is speaking for itself. So it's a maxi dress, it's sleeveless. You know, again, you don't need to think about these kind of dresses. ये खुद ही center of attraction बन जाती है. You don't have to think a bunch when styling these kind of dresses. And just a tiny detail that they have added in this dress is कि basically you can see कि one shoulder of the dress automatically falls नीचे. So you know, these little things just make your outfit more statement, like little tips, tricks here and there. Okay, the next dress is not for everyone. It is a very different fabric. ये वाला fabric मेरे पास तो कहीं नहीं है, and I've never sort of seen anything like this. But this is what the dress basically looks like. So it's a strappy sort of again a maxi dress only. And इसका material, एक तो color is tie dye blue, very rugged, very chic, and that is also reflected in the material. So you can see कि it's basically completely ऐसे tone up, and that flows throughout the dress. So it is the perfect combination of classy, pretty, but at the same time has this different rugged effect to it, which is just such a striking outfit, and it is something which, you know, again is a statement piece. Color मुझे इसमें अच्छा लगा summer के हिसाब से. This sort of blue tie dye going on is something that I personally love. Let's move on to my actually ये वाली dress is competing with the dress I'm wearing for my top favorite of this haul, because it just is so flattering, and I think again her body type पे flattering होगी. this is what the dress looks like, right? Firstly, the print, oh my god, it literally looks like it's out of a painting, and it's basically a tube dress. So this is what it looks like. ये आप अंदर से देख सकते हो, they have this sort of इसमें sticky एक layer होता है so that it sticks on. You also have a lining in this one इसके underneath, so it was very comfortable to wear, right? This is what the lining looks like, so that was very comfortable and print पूरा flow करता है. Now again, because of the way this dress is built ना, जो भी tummy area था सब छुप गया इस dress में, and it just looks seamless, like it has been painted on your body type. So I absolutely love this. I think मुझे ये मेरी body type के लिए तो बहुत ज़्यादा flattering लगी मुझे ये. Simple tube dress, again summers के लिए it has explosion of colors. The material is perfect for summers and you're getting it at very good prices. I also have a coupon code on Savannah, so you can check that out. हर जगह वीडियो में वो highlighted होगा for special discounts. And कितनी बढ़िया बात है that घर बैठे हुए weekend पे you want to shop a little bit, you want to explore, and you get all of these flash deals. Okay, the next thing, we're moving on to a very classy dress. As I said, in this haul you will find every kind of outfit out there. And में dresses के अलावा थोड़ी tops jeans भी है, so stay tuned for that. But this is the next one for those who are looking for that satin dress. Simple satin wrap dresses are very much in trend. They have been around for a while also, but I think they are here to stay. So उसी में you have this white dress. I went for a very risky all white color, but oh my god, the way it's made, it's very flattering. यहाँ पे ना waist के around automatically ruching हुई है, like वो stitch हुई है, so it gives that flattering nice shape to your body. Material again has been a 10 on 10 I think in this haul video. There has been no product जिसका I'm like ये material अच्छा नहीं है. You have a nice collar detailing going on. इसको बस अच्छे से मैंने अभी steam किया था while trying it on because satin does a wrinkle. Long sleeved hair, so very comfortable. And if you're someone who doesn't like sleeveless tube dresses, बहुत hassle हो सकता है उसमें, so I think this is your nice go-to option. From a nice go-to option to a slightly risky outfit, so this is what the next black dress looks like. So I had to go for a midi as well as maxi dress. I think this is how it looks like. So इसका sleeves are chain, golden chain detailing हो रखी है यहाँ पे. You even have a chain detailing here. And then this flows down. Now this dress when I tried it on, एक तो ये holes पूरे fabric के through है, तो मेरे को अंदर एक shapewear पहनना पड़ा because whatever you wear inside will be clearly visible in this. Secondly, ऊपर के लिए there is also a cutout detailing here, so I basically went for body tape with this one ताकि कुछ भी दिखे ना, and that's the only thing I think जो इसके साथ match कर पाए. You can even go ahead and try like a tube bra with this, but I just thought कि यहाँ से जो ये पीप हो रहा है ना कटआउट, इसके लिए थोड़े से एडजस्ट करना पड़ा ड्रेस को, and it was a little bit tricky. Other than that, there is a slit right here, so it's very sexy. It looks very flattering. Again, black color है, and इसका fabric is like a beautiful crochet sort of a thing to touch. So I would highly recommend this one if you are up for it. If you like the little details, the little cutout detailings and chain detailings going on. Okay, the last dress actually, but very pretty, very different. Like मतलब ये सारी dresses ना ऐसे अपने आप में एक showpiece हो सकती है, but this is what it looks like. So it's a simple white cotton dress, and यहाँ पे sleeves पे you have this zigzag pattern going on, so very cute. Like this is giving me like European vibes, and it's making me take a vacation, जो कि इस summer मैंने नहीं ली है. नीचे it full flows down, and you have a nice little detailing here as well. I think when I'm wearing it you can see how it looks very cute, very pretty floral सा है. So it's a very nice option, and again a very different design जो कि हर जगह नहीं मिल रहा है for this price point. Okay, summer haul ऐसे कैसे खत्म हो सकता है, and of course, and as I said कि most of the products I have tried for myself, so I have needed like a simple pair of jeans. Summer के लिए relax fit चाहिए था मेरे को. Honestly, I wanted like a nice baggy pair of jeans, so this is what I went for. It's a very simple item, right? This is what it looks like. A classic pair of jeans. It's been washed also. This one इसको मैंने पहन भी चुकी हूँ एक लंबे टाइम के लिए, so it's been very good. The quality of all of these products have been pretty much amazing and flawless. And in the video I paired it with this very cute black tube टॉप. इट्स बेसिकली अ फुल ट्यूब टॉप. व्हाट दे हैव डन इज कि इसको शेप देने के लिए और ये ऐसे ताकि स्टर्डी रहे, इसलिए इसके अंदर देयर आर लाइक 2 rods that I can feel. एंड ये वाली आई थिंक थोड़ी सी मिसप्लेस्ड है, जिसकी वजह से आई हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू फिक्स दिस, बट इसको कुछ करना पड़ेगा. ये वाला थोड़ा सा मिसप्लेस हो गया है. इसकी वजह से शेप वीडियो में ट्राई ऑन में उतनी अच्छी नहीं आई है, बट इट लुक्स वेरी नाइस. मे बी आई थिंक इफ आई वुड हैव गॉन अ साइज अप इट वुड हैव मे बी लुक्ड अ लिटिल बिट बेटर ट्राई ऑन में. बट I'm not gonna give up on this top. I'm gonna sort it out. And very nice. It's like almost like a satiny finish, so very comfortable. And summer के लिए तो मतलब literally मैं ये evening में कभी भी jeans के साथ heels के साथ पहन के जा सकती हूँ, and I'll like my outfit will be sorted. Another one of those things which my wardrobe was just lacking, and the sale was the perfect time to just stock up on it, was a black simple satin skirt. I did not have a black skirt or a satin skirt in my wardrobe, and ये इतनी versatile होती है ना, like ये आप थोड़े से formal उसमें भी semi formal में भी style कर सकते हो, and obviously you can always style it for an evening out as well. But this is what it looks like, and you basically have like a fake tie-up sort of feel देता है, but वो अच्छे से flatter करता है आपके waist को, gives it some kind of a shape. So very simple, 10 on 10 in terms of material, and you can see the price points for yourself in case you want to shop. Last but not the least, I'm very excited for this because I think the theme of today, as I said, is कि most of the pieces can be show pieces on their own. This is a bag that I got, very extra. I still don't know where I'll wear it. I will find a good fashion event for it probably, but this is what it looks like, guys. I know this might not be for everyone because इसका use case day to day में उतना नहीं होगा, obviously only for special events. But full metal bag, इसको touch करने का मेरा मन भी नहीं कर रहा है because मेरे fingerprints लग रहे हैं. Proper wrapped आया था ये, in its wrapping. So this is what it looks like. साइड पे लाइक लिटिल डिटेलिंग की यहाँ पे ना ये ट्रांसपेरेंट है, so that कुछ भी बैग की शेप को खराब ना करे. इसमें आपकी 2-3 चीजें तो फिट आ ही जाएंगी, बट again guys, this is basically a fashionable thing more than a utility thing. So very cute purchase, and I can't wait to style this one. And with this guys, this was the end of today's haul video. Let me know आप लोगों को कैसी लगी in the comments, which one was your favorite product. Again a reminder, coupon code है मेरा सवाना का, which you can use. Apart from that, every weekend that flash sale is going to happen, so make sure you check that out. 50% off pay, you're going to find all the products, so the links will be in the description box. Till then guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.